Wow, Inari. Okay, today, whatever happened today, guys, I'm going to give it a pinch of salt. You know why? Because of the announcement in the politics side. So tomorrow is the real show. We see tomorrow what happened to it. Question is it still BIC if you see this long black, see high volume, small black candle? Okay, high volume, small black candle. To me, this is not so bearish. If it's a long black, it's telling me a lot of people want to sell. Right here, I will say small candle. I remember small candle always means indecisiveness between the buyer and seller. Buyer and seller equally strong. That is why they can keep this stock at this particular range. Make sense to you? That means when the seller want to sell down below 347, buyers swap, buyer collect, buyer buy back up. Then each time the buyer want to push above 352, 353, it cannot shut down by the seller. So seller will start to sell. Buyers have to buy, seller. That is how the high volume is generated. So it looks like there is better going on right here. And today we know a lot of retail investor will have become kanjong spider, try to offload the share because of the political uncertainty, especially when it was announced at 12:30, the PM is going to speak. Also, there was a flourish of selling, the fireworks of selling. So therefore, this one, I will give it a pinch of salt. We'll wait for the next candle, which is tomorrow. Now, this is on the daily chart. So we need to check the weekly chart. How is it looking at? If you take a look at the weekly chart, which is more important, okay, it is still a juicy, fat, white candle. If by Friday, it can close above 354, no problem. What you don't want to see is by Friday, it gives us a shooting star pattern. That means from 350, close lower to close at 338, mampos. Mampos. But unlikely. You know why I say unlikely? Because you can see the transaction volume of last week, when it break out of this downtrend, okay, this consolidation, this downtrend, the pullback candle volume is CB high. So I thought it's going to come down already, but it didn't come down. Whoa, it continued to go up this week on a Wednesday. This is a Wednesday. The transaction volume is already as much as last week. So by Friday, definitely you're going to look at an even higher volume. Maybe it will do this for us. Maybe it will do this. High volume and long white juicy candle. Correct or not? If you want this long juicy white candle, hit the like button. It is like a wishing well. You hit the like button, your dream will come true. Hit the like button. Very pandan, me, very pandan. Okay, so this is Inari daily chart. Okay, so let me take a look. Okay, Inari ranking is 3-star. I talk a little bit more about Inari. Inari semiconductor. So there are three. So there are 3 semiconductor companies that has already reported earnings. They are Victrox, they are Unisem, they are Me Technology. All 3 reported higher earnings. This is exciting time. This is like going back to January 2021, guys. Remember that time we were all in semiconductor stocks, making a lot of money from them. It is like deja vu now. Because with EMCO, my worry is whether these companies' earnings will get a hit because they are not operating at full capacity. But Victrox is not affected, Unisem is not affected, and Me Technology is not affected. Their earnings are more than the previous quarter, which was reported in May. In May, sorry, not in February, in May. May, their earnings dip, but coming quarter in this July-August period, you saw Victrox, Me Technology, Unisem all reported better earnings. Therefore, their share price all rocket up. I come back to Inari in a while, but I want to show you evidence so that you know what we are talking and what we are looking at. Can you see? After the earnings is out, this is the earnings, financial result. Boom, fly up. Victrox, boom. This is the earnings. Boom, fly up. Okay, and then we have got Me Technology. Boom, fly up. Me Technology, fly up. And you have got Inari now. Inari, when is the earnings? The next important question is, when is the earning? Let's check. Over here, see? Ayo, 27th of August, still so long away. Hang on, let me check whether this data is correct or not. Let me go to the Me and see. Me, the last time it reported Haila, the last time we reported is 27th of July. So it's correct. So they really follow their earnings dates very closely. So we can expect Inari to have some volatility first. Okay. July, the July one gone already, huh? So Inari earnings is on 27th of August. 27th of August. So we have still got 2 to 3 weeks time. Wow, very, very nervous, right? If only announce result like tomorrow or Friday will be better. Straight away get up. If turn down, let's go. Lock in the profit and go. But right now we have got 2 to 3 weeks of waiting. Okay, so hopefully it can continue to stable and go up. Okay, at $3, at $3.50, what is the pip stable showing us? Okay, so you can see it's 10%, 15%, thereabout. So 15% earnings growth, which personally, how do you feel? Do you think Inari, let's take a poll right now. Do you think Inari can achieve a 15% EPS growth, guys, for Q4 2021? What do you think? Come, let's take a poll. What do you think? Can Inari achieve a 15% earnings growth for Q4 2021? Can or not? If you think can, you put yes. You think no, you put no. Sure can one. Yes. Yes. Wow. We have got many optimistic people here tonight. Yes. Can. Boleh. Huh? All can, all say can, Okay, where does your confidence come from? Can you tell me? Why do you think can? Why do you think can? I have the answer, but I want to check with you. Why do you think can? Let's see whether our understanding is the same or not. All are shareholders. Shurinder is right. Shurinder say iPhone sales. That's right. Okay, this is the answer, guys. You see, we trade stock with intelligence, with information, with knowledge. We don't tikam, we don't gamble. Shurindo is right. Zhu Enlo is right. It's Apple. Inari and Unisem are the supplier of Apple. Okay, Apple reported. Okay, Apple reported. Now we are talking. Now we are talking facts. So you want to know what you are buying, See, you come to this seminar, I don't just draw a few lines, tell you TA breakdown, No, we don't do that. We want to understand what's going on. So Apple announced the earnings, and the stock has been non-stop on a tear right now. Okay, he reported a very record-breaking iPhone sales number in last quarter. Okay, therefore, it's kawan, Unisem and Inari both should benefit. And I found another one called On Semiconductor in Nasdaq. This is also an Apple supplier. Okay, Apple supplier. So you can see POM go up. All the earnings of this Apple supplier all very strongly. Unisem is one of them. So Inari earnings not out. What do you think? You think 15% only? What if it is 40%? 40%everybody know Apple chip supplier. All of you are very intelligent shareholder. Give yourself a round of applause. Trading you have a lot of information. It makes the trading, the conviction, when you play trade, more convictious, more convictious, very, very confident when you know the facts, the numbers, so you dare to buy. Also, this is Inari. So guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about Inari and the rest of the semiconductor stocks listed in Bursa. And those of you who are trading the Singapore semiconductor stocks, you can also leave a comment and then let's have a discussion.